In 2018, Ramon Van Meer sold his American soap opera blog for $9 million. But get this, Ramon never watched a soap opera before, and he didn't know how to write proper English. So how did the Dutch native create an asset that was at one point making upwards of $241,000 in profit each month? In this video, we will discuss the exact strategies Ramon used to start his blog without ever writing a single post, how he found devoted fans that read everything he posted, and how you can follow a similar roadmap to millions. If you're interested in learning how money is made in the oddest ways, give us a sub, a like, and if you're really odd, a comment. Now, let's get to the TV drama. The Young and the Restless is one of the top soap operas on daytime television. Each day, new episodes release and people flock to their TVs to find out what's going to happen next. But Ramon Van Meer didn't know any of this when he decided to start his soap opera blog. The blog, soaphub.com, was not something Ramon intended to create. He wanted to make some extra money on the side. So in 2015, he did what any semi-intelligent person would do. He went to Facebook. He knew that by using Facebook, he could find out what was interesting to people. In classical marketing terms, you would call this market research. He didn't know what people liked, so he started with several different random types of pages. One being an American politics page and another being a soap opera page.
2.5 years ago, I found ways that you can drive traffic from Facebook back to a website. And I found out that the more targeted or niche the fan page is, the better engagement is on that fan page.
With this newfound understanding, Ramon found similar Facebook pages. He saw which posts were doing well and copied them exactly. Kind of a faux pas, but he wanted to test what worked and find out why it worked. With his niche dialed down and tested, Ramon moved on to phase 2 of creating his empire, Facebook ads. Ramon started running simple ads so that people could like his new Facebook page. He knew that if he got more likes to his page, Facebook would show his content to them. The more likes, the more views.
A lot of people shared it, liked it, and that's how I actually...
And so the entire business strategy is completely derived from Facebook analytics. Know which ones are going to populate well, and then just focus on those particular ones, even if you have zero interest in the product whatsoever.
Yes.
But there was one thing missing, the blog. Without having started a blog before, Ramon didn't know what to do first. However, he managed to find a $49 WordPress theme from themeforest.net. He found a cheap domain and hosting from GoDaddy.com, went straight to Upwork.com, and hired someone to put the blog together since he didn't have the technical ability. At this rate, there was nothing stopping Ramon on his way to success. But how in the world did he start making money? With English not being his first language, Ramon knew that if he were to write his own blog posts, it would be obvious to people that he was not American. So he went to Upwork.com again and found a writer who could help him write 2 to 3 articles per day. The articles were simple in nature, being 200 to 400 words. He would pay writers anywhere between $10 to $15 per article. In his second month of starting his blog, he had almost $2,000 in profit. In his third month, he had 5x this profit by taking home just shy of $10,000. If we take a look at his profit loss statement, we can see that he made $11,959 from AdSense alone. AdSense is a Google-owned ad network that allows people the ability to generate revenue by placing ads on their content. Each month, Google paid Ramon to host ads on his blog. As Ramon grew, he found other ad networks, like Google, who hosted ads on his site. It was clear that Ramon found a winning strategy. So he reinvested his profits in Facebook ads and more writers, and kept the money-making machine rolling. Ramon knew that his blog could have a handsome payday if he found the right people to help him sell it. Those right people for him were Quiet Light Brokerage. Quiet Light Brokerage is a marketplace dedicated to buying and selling businesses. If you want to sell a business, Quiet Light will help you meet the right people to buy your business. They have a network of high-profile advisors and investors with which they work. And with the click of a button, they sent out an email to their list, and Ramon had a few people interested in his business. From the outside looking in, it may seem like what Ramon did was impossible, but the truth is, anyone can follow what he did. Start small. Ramon didn't have a business in mind, but just wanted to see what had traction on Facebook. Find what works. He created different Facebook pages in different markets and chose one that had lots of engagement. Although Facebook's algorithm changed since 2016, you can do the same process with a Facebook group instead of creating a Facebook page. Copy what works. You don't have to reinvent the wheel. Ramon found his competitors and copied what they were doing to understand why it worked. Act. Once Ramon knew what worked, he started his blog despite not knowing how to create a blog or how to write. Hire. If you don't know how to do something, hire someone who does. Ramon is a Dutch native who doesn't write English well, so he hired someone who could assist him. Do more of what works. Ramon dug deep into his niche and found more soap operas that he could build fan pages around, which, in turn, drove more traffic to his blog. Reinvest. By reinvesting in his business, he was able to hire more writers and spend more on Facebook ads to get more likes to his pages. By doing this, he was able to create a high-leverage ecosystem that paid him big in the end. If you guys liked this video, be sure to leave a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel or stay odd forever. Until the next video, peace out.